Can you do Forex trading on Robinhood? Forex trading, or the buying and selling of currency pairs, has gained immense popularity in recent years. In fact, the Forex market is the largest financial market in the world, with an average daily trading volume exceeding $6 trillion. A significant portion of this volume comes from retail traders who seek to capitalize on currency fluctuations. Despite its growth, many are unaware that not all trading platforms allow Forex trading. Robinhood, a well-known commission-free trading app, has captured the attention of both novice and experienced traders. However, the question remains, can you trade Forex on Robinhood? The simple answer is no. Robinhood does not currently support Forex trading. Users can trade stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies, but Forex trading is notably absent from its offerings. This limitation can be a significant drawback for those looking to engage in currency trading using the Robinhood platform. Many users have expressed frustration over this aspect, particularly when they view Robinhood as a user-friendly option for other forms of trading. One of the primary advantages of Robinhood is its commission-free trading model. This appeals to new traders who are often deterred by high fees associated with traditional brokerage firms. Furthermore, Robinhood's intuitive interface allows users to execute trades quickly and easily. For individuals who wish to focus on stock or ETF trading, Robinhood provides a convenient platform that prioritizes accessibility and ease of use. Additionally, the app offers a cash management feature that allows users to earn interest on uninvested cash, adding another layer of utility. However, the absence of Forex trading on Robinhood presents several disadvantages. The platform lacks advanced trading tools typically offered by specialized Forex brokers. Traders seeking to analyze currency trends or use complex trading strategies may find Robinhood insufficient. This is particularly relevant given that Forex trading often involves sophisticated charting tools and real-time analysis. Users accustomed to these features may find themselves at a disadvantage on a platform designed primarily for simpler trading. Another noteworthy point is the limited educational resources available for Forex trading on Robinhood. Unlike dedicated Forex platforms, which often provide extensive educational content, Robinhood offers little in terms of training for currency traders. Many users rely on external sources for Forex education, which can be cumbersome and may lead to misinformation. This lack of support can be a significant barrier for novice traders who may struggle to navigate the complexities of Forex trading without proper guidance. Moreover, the lack of Forex trading could be seen as a missed opportunity for Robinhood to expand its user base. As interest in Forex trading continues to grow, users may turn to other platforms that cater specifically to this market. This shift could result in a loss of potential customers for Robinhood, particularly among those who wish to diversify their trading portfolios. In conclusion, while Robinhood has made waves in the trading community by offering commission-free trades and an easy-to-use interface, it falls short in the realm of Forex trading. The inability to trade currencies limits the platform's appeal to traders interested in Forex. The absence of advanced tools and educational resources further exacerbates this issue, making Robinhood less suitable for those who wish to engage in Forex trading. As the Forex market continues to evolve, traders may need to seek alternative platforms that better cater to their needs, leaving Robinhood to focus on its core offerings.